Despite the rising popularity of tattoos, their exposure may be linked to an increased risk of cancer. A latest Swedish study has found. The study published in the peer-reviewed medical journal, the Lancet, found that tattooed individuals have a 21% increased risk of malignant lymphoma relative to non-tattooed individuals. The cancer in the lymphatic system, which includes lymphoid tissues and lymph nodes, is called lymphoma, and if this cancer spreads, it is known as malignant lymphoma. The study claims to be the first to provide insight into a potential association between tattoo exposure and lymphoma using a population-based study design with a large sample size. However, the authors have asked for further research to strengthen their findings. According to the findings, tattoo ink often contains carcinogenic or cancer-causing substances such as primary aromatic amines, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and metals. The tattooing process triggers an immune response leading to the movement of tattoo ink from the injection site. While pigment deposition in lymph nodes has been documented earlier, the long-term health implications are still unknown. The study utilized Swedish National Authority registers, which covers the entire population, to examine the correlation between tattoo exposure and the incidence of malignant lymphoma and its subtypes. The study included a sample size of 11,905 individuals. Among these participants, those who had the cancer were being studied, totaling 1,398 individuals as cases, and those who did not have the condition, totaling 4,193 individuals, were studied as controls. The tattoo prevalence was 21% among cases and 18% among controls. Tattooed individuals had a higher adjusted risk of overall lymphoma. The risk of lymphoma was highest in individuals with less than 2 years between their first tattoo and the index year. Now, index year means a specific year used as a reference point where the individual got the tattoo. The study found no evidence of an increasing risk with a larger area of total tattooed body surface. The risk associated with tattoo exposure seemed to be highest for diffuse large B-cell lymphoma and follicular lymphoma. Indian experts have asked to monitor substances that go into making of tattoo inks after reading the findings of this study. They said that while such studies are not conclusive proof of tattoos causing cancer, but the study is the starting point of a more thorough inquiry from other researchers, from other centers and other countries. Experts believe that the study highlights a potential link between tattoos and a higher risk of lymphoma. They emphasized the need for rigorous regulatory measures on tattoo ink composition. Doctors, in fact, emphasize the importance of monitoring the substances that go into the making of these inks. While further research is crucial to establish the direct causality, the findings underscore the importance of monitoring and controlling the carcinogenic chemicals in tattoo inks to safeguard public health.